Ladies and gentlemen, there are places in this country that will be hitting 90 degrees through the fall. Okay? We hit 90 degrees where I am about a week and a half ago, 91. I think one day was 90, and then the following day was 91. It was like less than 2 weeks ago. And that's not real common to see that. But they said this is going to continue on. So this is Local 12. It comes out of Cincinnati, Ohio. The tri state is in the middle of a historic fall heat wave. Yes, places are still reaching the 90s. We're going into October soon. The tri state is likely to have its longest stretch of 90 plus degrees weather during the fall in recorded history. According to Local 12 meteorologist John Gum, the area set a daily high temperature on September 30th with a high of 93 degrees. This is Cincinnati, Ohio. But it still could get hotter over the next day or so. Wow. October 1st, record of 88 degrees set in 1927 will also likely fall. In fact, Tuesday could set a record for the hottest day in all of October in recorded history. John said it could hit 94 degrees. Daily temperature records were also broken Friday at 91 degrees and Saturday at 93 degrees. In fact, the end of September and beginning of October will likely see the longest stretch of 90 plus degree days in 2019. That is absolutely insane. Previously, it was a 5 day stretch at the end of June and beginning of July. Yeah, it was. And I remember that because that impacted where I am, which was when it would be expected. Right. So, yeah, June and July is when you would expect 90-degree days, but September and October? No. If the tri state doesn't get any rain Monday, September will be the driest month Cincinnati has seen in 9 years. Parts of southeastern Indiana and northern Kentucky and northern Warren County are seeing moderate drought conditions. No rain is in the forecast for the week. There is more seasonable weather on the way late in the week. That is insane, y'all. So, Kentucky, parts of Indiana, and Ohio will go through a stretch of days in the 90s, like we're still in the middle of summer. But it's very warm here, too. We're in the 80s every day. It's been so far, fall has been pretty, very mild. There are times in the fall it gets cold almost immediately, but not this year. It's still, the 80-degree days are hanging in there, and we pop up every now and then with some in the 90s. I think we had about two or three in September. So we're not fully out of the woods, and they were even predicting there's possibility that we may even hit it in my area. They said it's not far-fetched for it to happen at this point. And ladies and gentlemen, this, in my opinion, just proves that climate change is definitely here. It's here. Even if people don't like talking about these things, how do you avoid talking about it when you see places like Ohio that's going to hit a stretch of 90-degree days the end of September into October? Come on, we don't see this. This is not the norm. This is definitely not the norm at all. But y'all, please tell me what you think. I mean, this just blows my mind, but tell me what you think. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.